responsibilities in distress situations, and the impact of an unhealthy ship. The purpose of ensuring safety of navigation at sea. Key aspects of Regulation 33. Duty of shipmaster to respond to distress signals. Requirements to coordinate with search and rescue authorities. Legal and ethical implementations if assistance is not rendered. Definition of an unhealthy ship: poor maintenance, outdated or inadequate safety equipment, poor working and living conditions for crew, operational limitation, equipment failure, reduced crew readiness, increased error risk, difficult meeting SOLAS standards and assisting others. Crew responsibility and safety risk, legal obligation to respond versus safety of their own vessel. Master dilemma, weight risk of assisting other vessels, out customers' confidence and reputation. Loss of trust from clients and stakeholders, and potential for reputational damage affecting illness. Consequence of an unhealthy ship: increased safety risks, compliance challenges, and financial losses. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy ship is critical for safety, regulatory compliance, and sustaining customer confidence. Thank you.